What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the quarterly report that Palatin stock recently announced. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. We last talked about Palatin stock here on my channel a few months ago. And since that video, Palatin recently announced their most recent quarterly report as of May 17th. In that quarterly report, Palatin announced excellent progress in the clinical trials for two of its medications, with PL9643 entering Phase 3 clinical trials for the treatment of dry eye and PL8177 entering Phase 2 clinical trials for the treatment of ulcerative colitis. The quarter also saw excellent growth from Vyleesi as well, with product sales and net revenue up 89% and 154% respectively, with Palatin continuing to improve insurance coverage of Vyleesi, as well as filing for an extension of the patent until June 26th of 2025. And in addition to that, the company continues to have an excellent balance sheet, with Palatin closing out the quarter with $68.6 million in cash and cash equivalents on the balance sheet. And as of the close of the quarter, Palatin is debt-free without any outstanding obligations. But although Palatin saw excellent growth of Vyleesi, this improvement in sales was not enough to help Palatin reach profitability, posting a net loss of $5.7 million for the quarter. So with all of that being said, what are my thoughts about Palatin as an investment? For the long term, I continue to think that Palatin has a lot of potential ahead of it, and I continue to hold a small position in my portfolio. But as a speculative penny stock, currently with a market capitalization of approximately $128 million, from a risk-reward standpoint, Palatin is a very small percentage of my overall investing portfolio. While it is a risky investment, as Palatin's therapeutics continue to advance through clinical trials, I believe that this company has a lot of growth potential ahead for them. And I continue to plan to hold my shares for the long term and wait to see what happens. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and talking about my opinions about that company based on that research. Palatin continues to be a very small market cap speculative penny stock with a ton of inherent risks. So if you're thinking about investing in Palatin stock, make sure you're doing your own research and only investing if you're willing to accept those risks. What are your thoughts about Palatin stock? Are you invested in Palatin? Are you thinking about investing in PTN? What do you think about the earnings report that they recently announced? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.